Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about world first 27-inch QD-OLED 4K 240Hz gaming monitor. So friend, MSI has introduced new OLED gaming series to officially presented at CES 2025. So friend, this monitor it comes with 4K resolution and 240Hz refresh rate. So friend, thanks to its support for DisplayPort 2.1a with full UHBR 20 bandwidth, and this monitor also equipped with HDMI 2.1 and support VRR and ALLM, and this monitor is certified as DisplayHDR True Black 400 and ClearMR 13,000 comfortable, and it also comes with OLED Care 2.0 technology which incorporate multiple methods to reduce burn-in issue, and additionally the panel include a 3-year warranty. And this monitor uses a new 5-layer tandem OLED technology with EL Generation 3 technology, which is claimed to improve light efficiency by 30%. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.